So hi everyone, we are back with an amazing tutorial on MCP, that is Model Context Protocol. If you have been following this series, we have already covered WhatsApp MCP, Docker MCP, Blender MCP, and now we are back with GitHub MCP. Like you can connect Claude AI with GitHub to control your GitHub profile, create repositories, create branches, create new files and what not. So before you jump on to how to do it, I will be showing you what are the different tools present in GitHub MCP. So there are many, as you can see: add issue comment, create a new branch, create a new issue, create or update file, create pull request, create a pull request review, create repository, etc. So first of all, let's try it out and then we'll be showing you how to do it. Create repository MCP AI. Let me hit enter. It would be asking for certain permissions to create the repository. You need to allow for this chat. I have successfully created the MCP AI repository, as you can see, is now ready for adding files. Now if I go to my GitHub profile, you can see this repository MCP AI has been added just now and there are no files, so I will be adding a few files and then see what happens next. Add a readme.md explaining what is model context protocol and saying this is a demo file. As you can see, now it is adding a readme.md for the particular GitHub repo that we have created. As you can see, this is done. It is added multiple things here. Let me create a new branch and then we will stop this demonstration and then we'll jump on to how to do it. Create new branch MCP. So there are many functionalities that you get in GitHub MCP, and this is a very cool tool to connect with AI. And not just Claude AI, you can use it with local LLMs as well. I've already demonstrated in my previous demonstration how to use local LLMs with MCP. Do check that out as well. As you can see, a new branch MCP has been created. A README has been created for us automatically. So this is crazy. Now let me show you how to do it. So first of all, you need to create a private access token in GitHub. So let me show you how to do that too. So go to your profile and here you need to go to settings. As you can see, when you go to settings, scroll down and you will see an option for developer settings, as you can see here. Once done, there is an option for personal access token and then go to tokens classic. Once you go here, you can see on the top right, create new token, generate new token, classic. Go for classic only. And here you need to mention the name of the new token. Let me mention it: API, expiration date, and what all access you want it to have. And then click on generate token. Once you click on generate token, you would be given a unique token that you need to copy and paste. Now, once you are done, there is one more thing that you need to do. You need to go to Claude and navigate to settings. In settings, go to the developer option and here you can see that edit config. So here you need to add GitHub MCP now to your config. So here you can see that this is the MCP server that I have added in the config file. Command is npx. If you have been following this channel around MCP, you would be knowing all these commands for now. Model context protocol server -github. And in the environment, you need to pass that personal access token that you have created just now. I have blurred this out for you because this is my access token, but you need to create yours and add it here. And this is how you need to add the particular MCP server. Once done, go to task manager and close Claude AI completely and task from here. Don't just do a cross mark, else Claude won't update the JSON. And save this JSON, and once you are done, you should be able to see all these tools in the hammer sign here. All these tools should be visible here. So this is how you can connect GitHub MCP with Claude AI and control GitHub using your AI LLMs. Thank you so much.